Is DoorDash giving you the cold shoulder, leaving you with a blank screen instead of piping hot food? Don't panic, because we're about to troubleshoot those pesky loading issues and get you back to ordering your favorites in a flash. First things first, let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is the #1 culprit for loading issues. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi signal. Or if you're on the go, ensure you have cellular data turned on and a good signal strength indicated on your phone. Try toggling your Wi-Fi off and then back on again. This simple reset can often resolve temporary connectivity glitches and refresh the app. If you are not connected to Wi-Fi, try toggling cellular data off and then back on again. Now, let's tackle the cache those temporary files that sometimes cause more trouble than they're worth on an iPhone. Go to Settings, then tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the DoorDash app. Tap Offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data after offloading. Tap Reinstall app. On an Android phone, go to Settings, find Apps or Application Manager, locate DoorDash, and tap Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. Don't tap on Clear Data, otherwise it will remove your settings. And that's it. By checking your internet connection and clearing that pesky cache, you should be back in business. If you are still having trouble, be sure to check the DoorDash app to see if the service is having issues. Now get out there and enjoy your meal.